Plankton, what happened to you? Why can you speak properly?
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to pellet it, chum bucket.
Pearl, what have you done? You've turned my husband into a malfunctioning robot?
I didn't know it would affect him too. I was just trying to get back at Mr. Krabs for always stealing our customers.
What in tarnation is going on here?
Mr. Krabs, look what your daughter did. She turned Plankton into robots.
Well, that's just right. Now, how am I supposed to run me business without me orange nemesis constantly trying to steal me formula?
Now, how will we ever survive without the constant threat of bankruptcy and sabotage from the chum bucket?
Hey now, don't be getting smart with me, Karen.
Looks like someone finally has some competition in the restaurant business.
See, funny Pearl, how am I supposed to live with that Plankton constantly trying to ruin me life?
He says he's not sure if he should be offended or flattered by your dependence on him.
Well, I don't run me business. I'll show you all.
Looks like Plankton's got a new catchphrase.
And Mr. Krabs has a new enemy to obsess over.
I'll find a way to defeat you without your voice, Plankton. Just wait and see.
He says good luck with that, old man.
This is going to be entertaining!
You haven't seen the last of me, Plankton.
Well, this should be interesting.
Definitely better than any soap opera to me!
Oh, shut up and let's go watch the chaos unfold.